What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can swap or exchange currencies on the Revolut app. Also, if you don't have a Revolut account already, you can use my sign up link from the description below and get $40 once you sign up. So now let's get started. Now first off, once you open your Revolut app, you will be on this default page right here, aka your default currency page. Now here you have your personal account right here, and mine is in the US dollars. So from here, let's say if you want to exchange US dollars for euros, you would need to click on these three little dots right here that say more, and then select the first option, that is exchange. Now here you can see your primary currency and the currency that you would like to exchange it for. So you can actually customize this by just clicking on this little downwards arrow right here. And here you can select any currency that you wish. Now I will just stick with euros. And I will input $2 that I want to transfer to euros. Now there is a small fee associated, as you can see, about 2 cents. Now once you have your original currency amount that you want to swap for the second currency, you can just go ahead and click preview order. Now on the order screen, you can see everything related to this currency exchange. So the amount of your currency that you will exchange, the price, and the amount of currency to which you will exchange it. So if everything looks alright on this screen, you can go ahead and click sell USD to euros. And there we go, pretty instantaneous. Now if we go to our home screen right here, you can see that the dollar amount decreased, and if I go to my euro account, you can see that the euro amount increased. And right here there is a USD to euros transaction. So that's guys how you can swap or convert currencies on the Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.